Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to cancel Airtel subscription. So in this video I'm going to walk you through 3 different methods which you can use to cancel Airtel subscription. So what we do to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. So let's get started. So with the first method is to use the USSD code. So to do this, you have to open your dialer on your mobile, then dial *121# on your Airtel line, then select the manage my account. Then after that, you can choose auto renewal or cancel subscription and follow the prompt. Then the other method is to for data plan auto renewal. So to do this, you have to open your dialer again, then dial *141#, then select manage data plan. Then from the option, choose cancel auto renewal and confirm it. Then on the other method, which is the last method, which is the third method as well, is to use the SMS. So open your messaging app on your device, then type in this message, which is the stop, STOP in capital letter, then send it to 141 to cancel auto renewal or for data plan, and that's it. Then to stop this service, send stop to 2442 to save active, to see the active subscription, then reply with the number of the service you want to cancel, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.